2025, 19th of April, so to be exact, Saturday, I was going to say. The Kilding, no, Kills, I don't know, but here it is, Mountain Railway. And here's the steam locomotives, just getting started. This tractor has a steam traction engine. If you know Tom's and Friends, Trevor for short. If you know Tom's and Friends, it's Trevor for short.
I haven't said the names.
The railway has a steam engine that's on the museum display. 518. Made in 2010 in Douglas. The railway is taking the locomotive Rusty, or Rustin for short. Number plates R747, J556, and 406 are Victorian Railway steam locos that were sent for scrap. Sad and poor for them. For all of you people who are watching this railway is located in Victoria, Seymour, and Yea. If you take the path from Yea to Seymour, you might find this railway though. And as for my Aussies, yes, I'm an Aussie. I'm in Australia. This railway is one of a kind. There'll be more coming up soon, I think.